What if I told you that you've been wasting your mornings on outdated routines? Let's break some rules with these 5 AI hacks that will make your mornings not just productive, but profitable. If you've read my book, The Wolf is at the Door, or my latest blog post on the top AI productivity tools for 2025, you know that technology got a massive upgrade, but the human brain didn't. Now, if you didn't get the free resources, click the link below. In today's world, the influx of AI-generated content that we have to deal with on a daily basis is multiplying. We need to adopt new methods to stay focused and be incredibly selective in the tools that we choose to help us. Thankfully, there are 5 AI assistants that can help you manage your workload with greater ease. Counting down from number 5, we have an AI-powered productivity tracker. It's easy to lose track of your day when your inbox is filling up. Well, Rize is an AI-powered time tracker that coaches and analyzes your activity to advise you in real time on when to focus, take breaks, and most importantly, when you're getting off track. Pretty useful, huh? And it has one of my favorite features built in, a flexible Pomodoro timer. Now, I've used the Pomodoro technique for close to 20 years to help narrow my focus and write 8 books. Rize is great for those that are easily distracted and need a coach to push you in the right direction. The details are in the link below in the free resource section. Next up, we have AI meeting assistants. Otter is by far the best out of all of the options available. It can automatically join Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and it will take notes and create checklists based on the call. You see how much easier this could make your life, don't you? Instead of scrambling to find your notes, they're all right there. This is also great for podcasters for creating show notes and speeding up production from start to finish. Shifting focus to content creation. If you're a content creator like me, then you'll need help researching content ideas. The more you can automate the research component, the better, which means you can start your day diving straight in. For this, Make is one of your best options. For example, you can set up an automation that triggers when new research is discovered, creates a generative AI summary, then adds that summary to a research folder. But like I mentioned in my book, triple check the facts because AI still hallucinates and combines fact with fiction. Another great tool to help with research is Perplexity AI that I still think is one of the best AI search engines on the market to date. Next, we have an email writing assistant. There's nothing worse than sitting down at your desk to be flooded by queries, am I right? Here, you've got plenty of options and I break them all down for you in the blog post in detail. AI email assistants will be dependent on whether or not you use Gmail, Microsoft, or other email providers. For example, Microsoft has their Copilot Pro for Outlook. Features that you want to be looking for are actionable suggestions, an AI coach that can analyze the email tone, content and structure, and reminders to review AI-generated content for accuracy. For Gmail, you have Gemini AI that is integrated into workspaces. But for the full breakdown, check out the link below. Next, we have AI writing assistants, and you've probably used one of them already. Currently, there are a dime a dozen with new ones popping up all of the time. Here, you want to really focus on what will help you to get your day off to the best start. For example, still to this day, I prefer CopyAI because of the inbuilt automations and its ability to easily organize, share, and train folders with your specific content to reduce the likelihood of plagiarism, which is going to be a growing problem in 2025. Many still make the mistake of using the same AI chat window for every task, which results in context switching. It's like someone asking you to analyze financial reports 1 minute, then asking you to write creative content. It uses different parts of the brain. There is a task cost switch involved, and that is the time it takes to retrain and refocus the AI. By getting really strategic and well organized, with training your folders, you save time, money, and stress. CopyAI is one that has an easy to use platform that addresses this problem head on. Pretty useful to know, huh? Well, the bottom line is this. When you take the time to select the right AI tools, you'll start your day off strong, whether it be AI email, meeting, writing, or research assistance. So hit the link below and I'll send you the full report on the breakdown of the best AI tools for 2025 so you don't skip a beat.